Thinking about investing in Netflix before you start, research its stock performance, financial health, and future growth potential. To buy Netflix stock, sign up for a trusted brokerage like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity. Next, fund your brokerage account by linking your bank or payment. Now search for Netflix stock. Enter the amount you want to invest and hit buy. Invest safely by avoiding risky all-in moves. Instead, use dollar cost averaging. Buy small amounts over time to reduce risk. Stocks go up and down, so think long term. Netflix has shown strong growth potential, making it a great investment choice. And that's it. Invest wisely, stay informed, and watch your money grow with Netflix stock. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick details. Thanks for watching.